you are running a business and planning a flash sale, there's a one big question. How do you tell your customers about the sale without getting your WhatsApp number blocked? See, many business owners simply copy a message and send it to hundreds of people. For a few days, it works, but after that, message quality drops. Customers start ignoring messages, or in the worst case, the WhatsApp number gets restricted. So, if you want to promote your offer safely and professionally, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll show you how to create a complete WhatsApp flash sale broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. We'll create a campaign from scratch, send a flash sale announcements to customers, and I'll also explain how businesses send promotional messages without breaking WhatsApp rules. So if you own an online store, retail shop, restaurant, or any business that wants to get more sales during limited time offer, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because you are going to learn a complete process that you can use again and again. Now before we start building this flash sale broadcast campaign, let me quickly tell you about the tool that makes all of this possible, called Pabbly Chatflow. Nowadays, more and more businesses are using Pabbly Chatflow because it helps them manage all their WhatsApp communication from one place. Whether you want to send a promotional broadcast campaign, build a WhatsApp chatbot, automate customer replies, collect leads, or connect your business with other applications, you can do everything inside a single platform. So instead of handling customers manually, businesses are saving hours every day by automating their tasks with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it is perfect. But if you are not, then you can simply go for pabbly.com/chatflow. Create your free account and complete the simple sign-up process. Once your account is created, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As in this tutorial, we are going to create a broadcast campaign. So for that, I am going in this broadcast feature. So this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now before we start creating the campaign, let's first understand why broadcast campaigns are becoming so powerful. Think about it. Whenever a business starts a flash sale, the biggest challenge is letting customers know about it quickly. You can post on Instagram, Facebook, or send emails, but not everyone will see those posts. Some people don't check their emails for days, and social media posts completely depend on the algorithm. But almost everyone checks WhatsApp multiple times a day, and that's why businesses are now using WhatsApp broadcast to share offers directly with their customer. But here's where many businesses make a mistake. They simply copy a promotional message and send it manually to hundreds of people. This is not the right way. It wastes time, look unprofessional, and can even affect your WhatsApp account if you are not following the proper method. This is exactly where Pabbly Chatflow helps. It lets you create professional broadcast campaigns where you can select your audience, use approved WhatsApp templates, customize message, preview everything, and send your campaigns in just few clicks. It's fast, organized, and you don't need any coding knowledge to use it. Now that you know why businesses are choosing WhatsApp broadcast and why we are using Pabbly Chatflow, let's go ahead and build our complete flash sale WhatsApp broadcast campaign step by step. For creating a new broadcast, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I'll give it flash sale. After that, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. I am selecting this list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contact contacts and how you can create a list inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contact. You can also add contact one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For adding contacts in bulk, you have to upload a CSV file. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simple table format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I have added my customer's first name, last name and phone number. I added this record inside Google Sheets, but you can also use Excel as well. After adding all of your users' record, you have to download the file in a CSV format. Because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. If you'd like this tool till now and you also want to create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. For uploading a contacts, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and then simply upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting my contacts file from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now for creating a contact list, you just have to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I have selected here. Now the next one is refine audience. It is completely optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can search and select that contact from this list. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now let's move to the select message type section. Here you will see two options. The one is pre-approved template message and the regular message. First, let's understand pre-approved template message. See, this option is used when you want to start a new conversation with your customers or send a promotional messages like flash sales, discount offers or any other business update. Since these messages are sent outside the 24 hours conversation window, WhatsApp requires you to use a template that has already been approved by Meta. You can select the template from here and send your broadcast to your customers in safe and official way. Now the second option is regular message. A regular message can only be sent when the 24-hour conversation window is active with your customers. This means the customers must have already sent the message to your business within the last 24 hours during this active conversation window. But if that 24-hour window has expired, you cannot send a regular message anymore. In that case, you will need to use pre-approved template message to start the conversation again. In this tutorial for the flash sale use case, I am going to select the message type as pre-approved template message because it fits best. After that, I am clicking on this button and selecting this flash sale template. I have already created this template before. With this template, I want to add one image. So for that, I am clicking on this option. For uploading a new image, you have to click on this add new image and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, I am clicking on this done button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to your customers. For creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Templates are the Meta approved messages that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. It is used for easy access and scale communication. After selecting the template, I am going to test this broadcast. So for that, I am entering the username as test user and my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After that, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the exact same template that I have selected here. And look at this template, how attractive it is. It contains the offer and test shop now link too. I have created this by my choice, but you can customize it. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you need to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options, name as yes, schedule for later, and no, send instantly. See, if you want to send these templates to all of your contacts that are present inside the list immediately, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to send these templates to your user for later, then you can select this option. Here I am scheduling this broadcast message for later, so I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this message on 30th of June at 9 a.m. See, on 30/6/2026 at 9 a.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside my contact list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. Our flash sale WhatsApp broadcast campaign is now ready. From creating the campaign to selecting the right message type and sending it professionally, we have covered the complete process step by step. Now you can announce your flash sales to your customers the right way, using WhatsApp official system, reaching them directly and avoiding the mistakes that can lead restrictions or blocked number. Here you can view the stats of your broadcast campaign and export the report also. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp broadcast campaign for your own business too. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.